Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This will be a cold start. The 1996 Chevrolet C1500 WTs. Gotta love that 4.3. What a great little truck. Great truck. All right. Oh, I want to address my loyal fans here while I'm at it. Hold on, let's face it towards me. I know I've been lacking trains, okay? That's because I've moved about a year ago to a place called Chagrin Falls where there are no railroad tracks. The nearest railroad track is 75 miles from me. But that being said, my content is going to fly off the shelf when I move in August again back to my hometown of Ravenna, where I have two major lines and one extra line running right through my hometown of Ravenna, Ohio. One set of the Chessie system, or CSX as you younguns know it. The other set, the Conrail system, or as you guys know it now as the Norfolk and Southern system. Well, both of those systems run right through Ravenna on Diamond Road, or Diamond Street, sorry, not Diamond Road, Diamond Street. And there's a grade crossing for the CSX on multiple streets, and then there's also a grade crossing for the Norfolk and Southern on one street. And then of course I got I want to say Rio Erie line that runs through the middle of the town, middle part of the town, that services the big factories up there, the LG chemical plant and all that. So I will be filming all that starting August, September of this year. I do apologize. I haven't had a vehicle for a while to go do this, and I will have a vehicle to go do this. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support. God bless all of you, and happy rail fanning. Bye.